Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, good morning. I'm still here in Magalion, Negros Occidental. Behind me, guys, is the Mount Canlaon. Canlaon volcano. And yung bumabaha dito, yan yung rice fields ng aking bayaw. Pero hindi pa nataniman. Umuulan kasi dito everyday, guys. Raining everyday here. Kaya uh, yan, daming tubig. Okay. Tagalog English tayo ngayon, guys, ha. Tagalog English. Okay. So, malapit lang yung Canlaon Volcano dito sa farm nila, guys. Okay, yan. Pumutok yan nung ano, 2 weeks ago pumutok yan. Yung Mount Canlaon. Na lang hindi apektado yung mga tao dito. Pumutok yan. Yan. Thanks for watching, guys. Be safe, everyone. Take care always. God bless you all and your family.